The word another, to refer to an additional one of the same kind, to another chance, another cup, another question. Can I have another cup of coffee, please? He was given another chance to prove himself. The teacher answered another question before ending the class, to refer to a different one of the same type, another person, another way, another idea. Let's ask another person for directions. There must be another way to solve this problem. She came up with another idea during the meeting, to indicate one more in addition to what has been mentioned. Another time, another reason, another day. Let's meet another time when we're both free. There's another reason why I'm not going. We'll talk about it another day. To refer to one more of a number or amount. Another 5 minutes, another 2 miles, another few hours, and give me another 5 minutes to finish this. And we walked another 2 miles before taking a break. The meeting lasted another few hours longer than expected, to indicate a substitute or replacement. Another option, another solution, another plan. I need to find another option if this one fails. That's not working. Let's try another solution. The team proposed another plan after the first was rejected.